Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a double color exposure effect in Photoshop. Creating double color exposure effect is a popular technique right now, and it turns out it's super easy to do with Adobe Photoshop's advanced blending options. To start off, open the image of your choice and duplicate the layer. Right-click on it and click Blending Options. Under the Advanced Blending option, uncheck the R, which stands for Red, channel. Click OK. Now move the image left or right to achieve the final look of the double color exposure effect. You may also want to crop your image slightly to the edge of the duplicate on the right or left side respectively. This is a very simple way to achieve the look. While the technique itself is very simple, if thought out properly, you can achieve fantastic results. Another thing to try out is to use two different photos from the same shoot and treat the second photo similar to the duplicate in our tutorial. Try it out yourself. What other Photoshop technique would you like us to cover in the future videos? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.